Hello there guys and welcome to another episode of Hardstuck Copper. You're seeing me at a pit right now. I am Copper 3. I've lost the last 4 games on the bounce. Last 2 were unfortunate. I played well in the first one of them. It's this guy again. Second one had a team that was throwing. I got TK'd probably twice. And all in all, it was just an awful experience. So I'm now Copper 3 and looking to turn it around. Thankfully, the guys who were throwing last time aren't on my team. Mr. Tin 47 was on the other team last time and begging for us to ban Maverick. I'll go for a Legion ban. I don't have him yet. I do have Echo, and I occasionally like playing Echo, so I don't like playing against Legion. Echo's not so bad because people don't really know how to play him at this rank. Higher ranks, he's awful. Mr. Tin 47 again. Begging the other team to do his work for him. But of course they banned the clash. So let's see how we do on this one. Consular, I don't mind too much. I got a bit of a better knowledge of it than I did of Skyscraper and Villa, which were my last 2 ones were. I do know that the basement is really key to hold. But I also know that people like to go upstairs first. Hibanaing's been picked. I'll play the Thermite just in case they do go downstairs. Make sure. Yep, that's all good. Happy days. Alright, let's see how we do, shall we? Dr. Swag Bob has gone. We've got. Oh no, we've got 2 of the 3 heart breaches. I thought we had all 3, but no. Alright, let's see if they went upstairs or downstairs. As I go to completely the wrong side of the map to tell either. I guess I'll check the upstairs. What the hell? Also, a couple of things. Number 1, it is my aim at the moment to drone out more while on attack. So that's, hopefully you're going to see a little bit more droning, a little bit more thought out where I'm going, what I'm doing, and why. Mira and Jaeger are on their team. Secondly, I'm gonna try and do something. I really can't remember what my second one was. Oh yeah, I've changed the DPI on my mouse, so we'll see. They got a Mira and a Jaeger. Don't know who the last is. There's no way in hell I'm gonna push up yellow. In fact, why not? I had to do this just to see if anyone's prepped it, and then it's a little bit harder to prep doors secretively than it is windows. Obviously, windows are designed to be prepped, but you can still prep a door. You just go down low and take out the bottom 2. Punch it twice at the bottom. See, this is the problem with droning for yourself, is you never know if the intel is good or not. So let's just get back on the drone here. How did he shoot me? I was sitting behind a reinforced wall. I gotta see that. Oh, she got me from that angle. Alright. So this is not looking good so far. Smoke something.
A's clear.
Nero was in B site. hell is that on there? Oh, it's Mavericals. Alright, we're gonna go for a plant? I think we are. Go on, risk it, be a rebel. Alright, let's see if this guy's a good one. They know what they're doing, they'll hold balcony. And they will... Oh, how does he have 2 claymores, or did he not place the last one? He shot it out the air. This guy's incredible. Oh, I love this guy. Woha, a 4K with Dr. Swagbob 420, who is either 7 or got the name when he was 7. Didn't sound 7. Alright, they're probably going to hold upstairs again. So let's go Hibana this time. Because you can do the door. If you're going to do the downstairs door, you do really need Thatcher and Thermite. But I don't think they're holding basement. I think they'll go for upstairs again. But thankfully we've still got the Thermite. So if Woha goes Thatcher. If he doesn't, I'll pick... Hey, he's gone Thatcher. What a guy. I would have picked up Thatcher if he hadn't. Because if you're going to bring Thermite... You should bring Thatcher. Again, I'm sitting on yellow stairs, or just next to yellow stairs where it looks things. So I'll head in here and see what's going on. And Dr. Fabulous has found it. Ooh, are they holding basement? It is decidedly so. So I've got my drone in here. That's a nice drone right there. That's the bandit. Alright, let's do this, boys. Don't tell me I came into the wrong spot. There was me going on about how I knew this map. Came in on the wrong bloody side, didn't I? Or did I? No, I came in on the right side. No, hang on. Where's the garage? It's down here. Ugh, I have to do the long walk around of shame. That's bandit down. So let's put my so-called droning into action. As I head in here and see who is about. Nice, that's 2. Alright, let's see where this last person is, shall we? Frost is on A site. I'm just gonna sit on her. She's moving away from A site. And has gone upstairs. Now that was good callouts. And good kills from John. Really good kills from John. Woha is still carrying the team. However, 2 kills, Bandit and someone? I don't know who else I got. I was about to say IQ, but that would be really stupid. Alright, what do we think they're going to hold? Basement again? I mean, they may have not liked my Hibana holes, they may have been too high for them, but I shot them either side of the reinforcement. Great trick there for Hibana pellets. If someone's bandit tricking you, it's very hard to get 2 panels before the Hibana pellets go off. So worst case scenario, you get 2 holes. Best case scenario, you get 4. Well, best case scenario, you get 6, but reasonable case scenario, you get 4. And, like, then you get 6. Alright. Not basement. I definitely have to get better at enunciating. They're not top floor either. Have they gone open areas? Or whatever it's called. Or is it... They've gone tellers, haven't they? And they brought a chunker. Oh, it's very red on their team right now. Alright. So what are we going to be looking to do here then, John? I'm thinking go upstairs, push down yellow, and then they normally reinforce that. Wait, no, not yellow. Boop. Oh, I got a scan assist for that. That feels cheat. Cheap. Oh, this fight's going on there. Oh, Chanka kill. Chanka's still standing. Is there anything to break in this? No.
Only to check live on 8. Someone take the bomb and go down to archives. Downstairs on archive.
Come downstairs.
Oh. Oh, are you kidding me? That's him packing up his chunk, I think. Here comes the Lord. And there goes the Lord. Okay, that was almost it. I do feel bad we're playing 5v4, but after the last 2 matches, this is just a relief to have a semi-competent team. Semi? Oh, I'm not American. Semi-competent team. Nope, not that one. No, not that one. Come on, guys. Come on, basement cafeteria. Thank goodness. Someone else taking the bandit. Could bring the Cade? And... that way Bandit only has to sacrifice one of his... things. What do we think? And then I'll get the hatch upstairs as well. Alright, so those guys will reinforce that. isn't a tremendous amount to reinforce. Oh, there's been some friendly fire already. I'll reinforce these two. I don't know. It's a 3v5, 3-0. We definitely have this. That's a really awkward placement. Capital was on spiral. Tell me you got him, Cav. She got him. And there's the last one. Nice. Achievement. One mind. Don't know what that achievement's for. But I'm okay with my performance there. Didn't go negative. Went even. Woha really carried. But actually got to play with people who wanted to play, which was nice. Should have killed Capital. Should have at least landed a shot on Capital. Right. Well guys, thank you for tuning in for another installment of Hard Copper. Didn't do great at continuing to drone more, but it's an ongoing process learning this game, and I'll see you in the next installment.